Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another Amazon product unboxing and review. Today, we are checking out a Mousetrap. So, pretty much, this is just like a lid that fits on top of a bucket. And the mouse climbs up there and they can't get out. So, let's check it out here. This can be got on Amazon for about $25. And what we have here, we have the instructions. So this should just fit on your standard 5-gallon bucket. And these will snap together. I wonder if I should look at the instructions or not. Who needs instructions, right? Look, these little side ones looks like they go right on here. They have little legs there, and they just snap in just like that. On here, the little stem there goes into the hole. Kind of. Come on, buddy, get in there. Right, good night. That's should we get it lined up there and try to... okay, gotta get both fingers on either side there. It's a little stiff. Okay. Hopefully I put that on right, and then these ones go on the same way. So flip it over. It's pretty much only one way they go on there. Just push that through the hole there, and then push it through. I just kind of put my palm on here and pushing, and then put my fingers around that little area that it's going through. There we go. It seems to be the best technique there. It's not the easiest thing to do. It takes a little bit of pressure, just like this, and push it down on there. Okay, so it looks like that's the top part, and then this snaps down on top of that for like a little lid here. So once again, just putting these little pegs, or these little, kind of little pegs in the hole there, so they hold. There's one. Make sure we get it on there correctly. Make sure it lines up and kind of press it on there. There we go. Takes a little bit of pressure there, that's for sure. Alright, get this one lined up. Make sure it's lined up perfectly. Okay. And make sure that it goes in there's a line there that goes around there as well. Okay, work our way around to the other side and get those ones in too. It's kind of like the Lego set here. Just putting it together, making sure all the pieces line up, and just snap it together here. Okay, there's one. There's another. That's pretty easy. There we go. That was a lot easier. Okay, so we assembled the lid portion. And then next we have the trap here, and it's got two little tabs there, and those just slide into the holes on either side there. Okay, get one in. Try to just kind of bend it out a little bit, and that goes in there. Alright, and then these tabs go underneath, just like that. Okay, so when the mouse walks in on here, just gonna go down like that. There's no escaping. So he's on here, goes onto that, and it just goes forward, and this falls in behind him. Okay, and then we have a little ladder. And we assemble the little ladder so they can climb up the ladder. And this has just two little parts they push on over the top there. And where does the ladder hook onto? Is there any little, oh, there we go. And on the side over here, it has these. So push those into there, just like the other ones. And there you have the little ladder, just like that. Put this on a 5-gallon bucket, and you got yourself a mousetrap. All right, so we can get this off of Amazon. It runs about $25. I'll link it in the description below. I'm gonna go set this on a bucket, show you how to do that, and we'll be back. Okay guys, so we have a 5-gallon bucket. This fits right on. This one's a little bit warped. Bend it in a little bit, try to get it as round as possible. And then this just fits on over the top, just like that. So, little mousey climbs in here, up these nice little stairs after it smells the peanut butter. Just like that. So, peanut butter. Ah! And that resets after it falls in. Comes back up. Just like that. Climb in here. Ah! So, let's, I'm going to put a little bit of peanut butter in there. Like probably towards the back right there. That's what it says to do. And then we'll go set it outside, see if we can catch some mice on here. Well, I think the mice are partial to some Skippy. So just put a little bit on the back wall here. There we go, just like that. And let's go set it outside. We'll go set that outside and we'll check it in a couple days. Well, my friends, it's been a few days and have my mousetrap out here. And no mice in there. Wait a second. No. But I have 3 cats and they're mighty hunters. So I haven't really had any they've caught a few mice, so I thought maybe I'd put one down here along the fence line. There might be a mouse going up there to get the peanut butter, but no such luck. I was kind of hoping that I'd be able to demonstrate that this thing works pretty good, but you can see how they can just go up there. There's peanut butter right here in the back. They run up here, on here, and then they go in there, and then it just dumps them off. They have nowhere to, nothing to grab onto, you know. They just kind of slide off in there. As long as there's weight there, they can't really hang on, and they just fall on, and that thing just comes back up and ready for the next one. So yeah, so if you guys are looking for a decent little live mousetrap without having to kill the little guys, this thing probably be quite effective. I was just hoping I could catch one, but with a bunch of cats around, it's difficult to have any mice. So, well guys, thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. I'll see you next time.